This video from Sharp Help, we're going to demonstrate how to set your XE-A303, 406 or 40S to having the traditional default 2 decimal places on the machine. So that would be for countries such as the UK, Ireland, Europe, US, Canada, Australia, Nigeria, India, Korea, Barbados, Mexico, Brazil, and a lot more. It's the most popular way of setting currencies out on registers, but if your machine has been misprogrammed, so you have the wrong decimal point setting, so for example on this machine is currently set to have no decimal points, so if I type in what should be £10 in the UK and assign it to one of my departments, it's actually setting at 1,000 because the machine's been set to have no decimal points. It's easy to correct this, it is buried away in the manual, so the information is on page 70, which is job code 61, and the flowchart I'm following is on page 68. So if you've got access to the manual, that'd be really helpful. Ooh. So this is the flowchart on page 66, and I'm taking all the information from job code 61, which is on page 70, and I'm putting all that information into the flowchart. Now the only thing I'm looking at today is the decimal point. So to have 2 decimal places, I'm going to set line H to be 2. The rest of the programming I'm going to leave at the Sharp default. So that's why it's worth you having a quick gander at the chart to make sure that you're happy with the default settings for everything else. If you are, then you turn the metal key marked MA round to the PGM position, and then you follow the flowchart. So I've edited the flowchart and put in my job code here, my job code there, and my 8-digit code down there. So you can see the last digit is 2 because that's how many decimal places I want on this register. So once you're in the PGM position, you press the hash TMST button, the job code 61, the multiply button, and then you enter the code, which remember I've worked out here from the chart on page 70, and the code is 00100112 because it's 2 decimal places, TMST to save, and then the TLNS button to finalise. You get a little printout confirming PGM 61 and then the code we've just entered. Now the first thing you should notice is that the display will read 0.00. When you go back to reg, it's the same, and then when you type in 1000, this previously was 1,000, now it will be £10 or €10 or $10 depending on where you are, and that's the machine set to 2 decimal places. Okay, hope that video's been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the XE-A303 and other Sharp registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sharphelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.